What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to share with you a couple of easy ways to earn a little bit of extra cash in your pocket. If you are struggling a little bit, this will help you just a tad bit. It helped me in some ways, so I decided that I'm going to share it with you guys so you can use these too and hopefully get you some extra cash. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below, video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. So one way to earn a couple of extra dollars in your pocket, I don't know if you guys have done this before or heard it before, but near me there's a store called Plato's Closet, and you can take your old clothes and sell them there, and they will give you a certain amount of money for certain things. They only take select items, but you can bring a whole trash bag and they'll go through it, look through it, and then they'll give you money and take what they think is worth it. I've done this quite a bit of times, and the last time I did it I got like $60 for like 5 things, and I was like, thank you, I needed that. I don't remember what I needed it for, but I needed it for something, and I was like, oh my gosh, like this is amazing. But I'm literally going there tomorrow so I can sell a couple things. I'm actually going to 2 separate Plato's Closets because if one doesn't take one, I'm gonna take the rest of the clothing to the other Plato's and see what they take and hopefully get some good cash there, because your girl's struggling right now. She needs some cash, so this is what we're gonna do, and hopefully it works out. The next thing you can do is sell your clothes online. There's 2 apps that I've used before. I've used Mercari and Poshmark. This is not sponsored by anybody, obviously, at all. But I've used Poshmark before. I have not sold anything on Poshmark. Personally, like I've tried, but like nothing would sell because like I really don't know how it works and it's really confusing to me. But on Mercari, I've used that app and I've sold quite a couple of things on there before. You can sell whatever you want on there, and for a reasonable amount of price. You can offer free shipping, or you can have the buyer pay for the shipping, and I've sold like, I would say around 10 items on there, and they were higher priced items. I've sold Uggs, I've sold a camera, I've sold like shoes. I've sold quite a bit of things on there before, like shirts, leggings, dresses, like anything. Bras people sell. Like you can sell anything you want on there as long as someone buys it, then there you go. And every 3 days you can promote your item, so it'll take like 5% off and it'll promote it to people, be like, hey, this item is 5% cheaper and you can buy it at this price instead of this price, or whatever. And I actually love this app. I actually bought some shorts off of it last summer, and they were so cute, and they were PacSun, and they were like $15 for 3 PacSun pairs of shorts. So if you also want to shop on there, you totally can, and it's so affordable. Next app that I've used before is called Shopkick. So Shopkick, it looks at all the stores near you, and for me, let's use an example as Publix. I work at Publix, and every time I walk into a Publix, I open my app and it's like 10 kicks. So you get 10 kicks, like 10 points for walking into that store, and then they have a certain amount of points you can get for scanning certain items they want you to scan, and then also certain items for when you purchase stuff. You send a picture of your receipt and they look at it and be like, okay, so she did buy this, and then you get this amount of points for doing this. And once you reach a certain amount of points, you can get gift cards. I know it's not actual cash, but you can get Starbucks gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards. There's other gift cards, let me see. There's so many gift cards that you can get on here, and I honestly love this app so much. I've used it for years. I've gotten so many Starbucks gift cards off of here, it's like not even funny. I stopped using it for a while because I forgot, because like I had so many apps and I forgot about it. But I started using it again. Like when you go to the mall, there's certain stores you can walk in and you can get certain points if you use your card, or like shop online through the app, you get like a certain amount of points for like every dollar you spend. So like maybe you get 2 points for spending $1 at this store. Well, that eventually accumulates and you get more and more points to where you can get closer and closer to getting a gift card. So I definitely recommend using Shopkick too. The last app I heard that you can sell some clothing on, I've never personally tried this myself, but I've heard it used multiple times, is ThreadUp, where you can sell your clothes, and you can also buy clothes off of there as well, just like any other place. You can sell your clothes on there and earn credit for ThreadUp, or you can get cash It's like all the other selling apps, but I've heard this one was used a lot, but personally my favorite still is Mercari. I've never tried ThredUp. I think I might have tried it once, but I didn't really like the way they did things, or I couldn't figure out how to get cash instead of just credit. So if you guys were interested in trying that, definitely try that, because it's another way you can make easy money on there, especially if you have a lot of clothes in your closet that you never really use anymore or ever wear anymore, or like even shoes, pocketbooks, anything. You can sell on there and make even $5 off of a shirt that you would have sitting in your closet. So that's an extra $5 you didn't have before, which I think is awesome, because I had a lot of clothes in my closet that I never wore, and I was like, well, I'm gonna make money off of it. I just find it, if I need cash, I'm gonna sell some things. Like, that's how I see it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and tell me down below if you've used any of these apps before, or if you've used any other apps to make money. Definitely tell me, and I would love to try it out. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.